Guys, this is the Hotham Valley railway train. It's the steam one and the diesel, and this holds up to 6 carriages, and it doesn't work when it only works when it's cold, and and it goes from Dwellingup to Pinjarra, and it is a real nice railway, and you can see a lot of nature, and you can hop out and watch train going back and forth. And the forest train is the diesel engine down there, and so that pulls the forest train in the year. And if you can see, there's people on the train. So, yeah. See you. Comment down below and like and subscribe. Bye.